Good day, ma'am. Today I'm going to talk about how delayed chromosomal inheritance occurs. So, delayed chromosomal inheritance happens when a chromosome doesn't separate correctly during cell division. So, this this occur this usually happens in during meiosis. So 'di ba, instead of nai nai instead of copy ang isa ka cell, so na siya isa ka cell, so instead of na sila tagsa, so ang isa kay na extra, ang isa kay wala sila makuha ang isa sa chromosome. So ang isa sobra, ang isa wala. So this error can happen in several ways. So this is called non-disjunction. So this is the most common cause of chromosome fails to properly separate during during meiosis 1 or meiosis 2. So this result in gametes. So sperm or egg cell with an chromosomal with an abnormal number of chromosomes. So na siya katong gingon gini na nga ang isa kay copy na extra copy, ang isa kay wala. So abnormal yung pag-produce og chromosome. So the second one is anaphase lag. So a chromosome lags behind during anaphase. So during anaphase nga stage kay where chromosome move to opposite. So mura siya magbaylo. So opposite poles of the cell. So this can lead so kini siya kay maka sana maka mo ni siya yung nungdan nga naay mamising a cell na siya mamiss ba nga chromosome. So lastly is chromosome breakage and loss. So a chromosome break and a piece get lost in cell division. So mawala siya sa kwan sa cell flow bitaw sa meiosis 1 ba or sa meiosis 2. So in overall, when gamete with an abnormal number of chromosome fertilize another gamete, so the resulting zygote fertilized egg will have an incorrect chromosome. So kini kay mo siya so leading to conditions like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. Then the severity depends on which chromosome is affected. And then og pila ka na kwan ba wala bitaw na produce nga kwan chromosome sa cell. And then so depende po siya sa kwan masa siya na itabo sa meiosis 1 ba or sa meiosis 2. And then mo na day makapikto sa kwan sa cell B offspring. And I think that's all, ma'am. Thank you.